Smooth, anti-freeze and volume. These are my hair goals. What's yours? Hello, hi, namaskar, namaste. I am Priyanka and I welcome you all to my today's new video. So today we're gonna discuss about the Freewill hair care range. Let me show you the packaging, and I hope you can see I have finished the half of the bottle. So you can see my name written over here, and this is the packaging. This is the ingredient list over here. You can see. Let me tell you guys, I am just a simple girl like you who wants her hair to be perfect. Don't you want this too? I get lot of questions regarding a good hair care solution, but as everyone has different hair goals, different hair texture and different hair types, so it becomes quite difficult or maybe impossible for a single purpose product to solve all your hair goals. So let's say if you choose a hair fall control shampoo, it won't make your hair look lustrous or shiny. Rather, it will only work for your hair fall control issue only. So in the same way, if we choose our anti-dandruff shampoo, it will only be helpful in the same hair solution. So now, what if I tell you I got a better and the best plan, actually the best solution for you all. So I came across Freewill, where they create personalized multitasking products for multitasking us. And now I got the perfect solution for all my hair issues. I always wanted my hair to be smooth, voluminized and anti-freeze, and here I get it with Freewill. When you switch on to their app to buy your product, your personalized kit, they ask, and from there you will get to choose your hair goals after covering several hair assessment tests according to your hair profiles, your hair goals and the external factors. So according to my need, the vitamin E, the avocado fruit extract, the Panax ginseng root extract, the biotin, the hibiscus flower extract and the olive oil were the best solution. The Freewill shampoo, the conditioner and the serum is all I need. Do you see that shine in my hair? Yes, you can definitely see that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you really did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and also the bell icon. See you next time in my next video, which is coming really very soon. Till then, take care of everybody around you. Bye bye.